Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract specific pages from a PDF using PDFsam Basic. Whether you want to save a single page, a range of pages, or multiple selected pages into a new PDF, PDFsam Basic makes the process quick and easy. Let's get started. After launching PDFsam Basic, look at the available tools on the main screen. Click the Extract module to open the Page Extraction feature. Now click the Browse button, or simply drag and drop your PDF into the Input File area. Once the file is loaded, PDFsam Basic will display its information, including the total number of pages. Next, choose which pages you want to extract. You can enter a single page, such as 5, a page range like 3-8, or multiple pages separated by commas, such as 1, 4, 7. You can also combine ranges and individual pages if needed. Take a moment to confirm that the page numbers are correct before continuing. Now select where you'd like the extracted PDF to be saved. Click the Browse button in the Output section and choose your preferred folder. This makes it easier to find the new file after the extraction is complete. Once everything looks correct, click the Run button. PDFsam Basic will create a new PDF containing only the pages you selected. The extraction usually finishes within a few seconds, depending on the size of your document. Open the newly created PDF and confirm that it contains only the pages you selected. This is a quick way to separate important sections from a larger document without editing the original file. That's how you extract PDF pages using PDFsam Basic. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple PDF guides. Thanks for watching.